To be a good man in this world is nothing short of a miracle. It's amazing that the path you're paving shows the pursuit of nothing less than the pinnacle. Your bravery, when you chose us for children, became the most visible, and you gave us love. You gave us yourself and relinquished your right to rest. You gave up your peace so your children could earn the distinction of being the best. You gave up your comfort, and for all these reasons you stand head and shoulders above the rest. You never gave up on us. We were carriers of curses, lethal from our past, but with unwavering courage you faced them and proved more than equal to the task. When the world said that it can't be done, you defeated demon after demon on our behalf, a true champion. You are a father who knows the pain of provision. You gave us the gift of a place inside of your vision, while bearing the hopes and the dreams inside all of your children. We stand on the shoulders of a giant, and you stand as a mountain among the hills, a shepherd amongst the sheep. Your being our covering, a sentinel, is what gives us the peace we seek. When we are besieged by storms on every side, your voice becomes the place where hope resides, becomes the difference between giving in and going on, standing still and staying strong. Thank you for always staying strong, because the whole world is desperate to give you a place, but thank you for loving us enough to stay, for raising us from less to become more, for raising us from the dust to become kings, from rubble to become royalty, for thinking enough of us to stay. So, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, Dad, today, there is nothing more that we would rather say than that we love you and happy Father's Day.
It's who I am. It's who I am.